What if you could make $5,000 in just 7 days without investing a single dollar? In this video, I break down exactly how I did it step by step, from day 1 to day 7. No scams, no hype, just smart strategy, free tools, and execution. If you're serious about making money online in 2026, this blueprint can change everything. Watch till the end and take notes. Let me be completely honest. 7 days before this experiment started, my balance was nearly zero. No ad budget, no team, no paid tools, no fancy setup. Just a laptop, internet connection, and a decision. I will make $5,000 in 7 days without investing any money. This was not luck. It was strategy, positioning, and execution. Day 1. Identifying the opportunity. The first day was not about making money. It was about understanding where money already moves. I spent the entire day researching, filtering out anything that required upfront cash. Ads were out, inventory was out, paid tools were out. I only focused on opportunities that required time, effort, and skills that could be delivered digitally. As I went deeper, a clear pattern started to emerge. Businesses and content creators were not looking for more information. They were looking for fast solutions. Freelancing platforms were full of urgent requests. People needed content. They needed visibility. They needed someone who could deliver quickly without complications. Skills like content creation, social media management, video editing, and basic graphic design were not just in demand, they were necessary. That's when I made a strategic decision. I chose content creation and social media management because they were fast to execute and easy to scale. I spent hours browsing Fiverr, Upwork, and multiple social media groups where clients were openly asking for help. Within 1 day, I identified simple services I could offer immediately, such as short YouTube video creation, Instagram caption writing, basic post designs, and quick content edits. I didn't overthink it. I just committed. Day 2. Setting up my profile. Day 2 was all about positioning myself correctly. I created professional profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn, fully aware that people judge you in seconds. I added a clean profile photo, wrote clear service descriptions, and explained exactly what problem I solve and how fast I can solve it. I included examples of work I had created, even if that work was done only for practice. What I realized on day 2 was powerful. Clients don't only pay for skill, they pay for certainty. They want to feel confident that you can deliver. Even without previous paid experience, you can build trust if your profile communicates clarity, confidence, and professionalism. Alongside freelancing platforms, I joined Facebook groups and Reddit communities where small businesses post urgent projects. These communities turned out to be some of the fastest sources of income. Day 3. Landing my first gig. By the 3rd day, messages started coming in. Not thousands, but enough to create momentum. I noticed something interesting. Many clients were frustrated, not because freelancers lacked skill, but because they responded late or complicated things. So I made speed my biggest advantage. I replied instantly, asked clear questions, and focused on delivering exactly what was needed without delays. My first paid gig was small, but it mattered. A local business needed social media graphics. I charged $150 for 3 posts and delivered them within a few hours. The payment came in the same day. That moment was important because it confirmed something critical. Focused action converts directly into money when you solve a real problem. Day 4. Scaling up. Once I saw how quickly income could come in, I shifted into scaling mode. I started stacking multiple gigs at the same time while maintaining fast delivery. I expanded my services slightly to include short YouTube video editing, Instagram carousel designs, caption writing, and content proofreading. The real strategy here was efficiency. I reused templates, adjusted designs slightly, and repurposed workflows so that one effort could generate income from multiple clients. I also became more proactive. Instead of waiting for clients, I reached out directly, highlighting fast turnaround times and offering small bonuses like free revisions. By the end of the day 4, my earnings crossed $1,200. That's when I fully understood that consistency beats talent. Every focused hour directly translated into revenue. Day 5. Diversifying income streams. On day 5, I realized that relying on one platform was risky. So I expanded into other zero-investment income streams. I explored affiliate marketing for digital products, created simple digital templates, and offered quick one-time consulting calls for social media advice. One of the smartest moves was creating an Instagram post template that I sold for $50 to multiple clients. Since the template only needed to be created once, every sale after that became pure profit. This added passive income on top of my active freelancing work. Day 6. Reinvesting time for maximum returns. By day 6, my schedule was packed, so I became more selective. I focused only on high-paying, fast turnaround projects and avoided low-value gigs unless they required minimal effort. To increase efficiency, I relied heavily on free AI tools and platforms like Canva. AI helped generate content drafts quickly, while free design tools allowed me to produce professional visuals in minutes without spending anything. Instead of working harder, I worked smarter. Every task was chosen based on its income potential and time requirement. Day 7. Crossing the $5,000 year mark. The 7th day was when everything came together. By consistently focusing on high-demand skills, fast delivery, professional presentation, and smart reuse of work across multiple platforms, I crossed the $5,000 mark. What made this achievement more powerful was the fact that I didn't spend a single dollar upfront. This experience reinforced an important truth. Speed often beats perfection. Clients value quick, reliable delivery more than flawless execution. Professional presentation builds instant trust. Diversification protects income. Free tools multiply output, and consistency compounds results. At the end of 7 days, the biggest lesson was simple. Money doesn't come from hesitation or overthinking. It comes from action. When you identify a real problem people are willing to pay for and execute quickly, even starting from zero, serious income becomes possible. If this breakdown helped you understand how real money can be made without investment, don't just watch, take action. Choose one skill, commit for 7 days, and execute daily. Results come from speed and consistency. If you want more step-by-step blueprints like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Your next 5,000 might be one decision away.